We are unboxing a Jackery Explorer 300 power station. This power station has a solar generator option where a solar panel can connect to the power station to recharge it. This Explorer 300 was purchased in May 2024 for $219.99 plus tax. This price does not include a solar panel. This product generates a pure sine wave according to the documentation. It has two AC power adapter outlets and is rated at 293 watt-hours. It has a weight of 3.2 kilograms or 7.1 pounds. The dimensions are quite small at 9.1 inches by 5.2 inches by 7.8 inches. The product is well packed with an exterior brown cardboard box and an orange box on the interior. The battery is a lithium-ion based system. 110 volts is the output at 60 hertz. There's a 300 max continuous wattage with a 500 watt surge peak. The lithium-ion battery has a cycle life of 800 cycles before it reaches approximately 80% of its original maximum capacity. This Jackery supports solar panel MPPT charging. MPPT, or Maximum Power Point Tracking, is an algorithm that is included in charge controllers used for extracting maximum available power from the PV module under certain conditions. An MPPT solar charge controller is a DC to DC converter for a solar power station. It receives voltage from the solar panels and converts it to charge the battery at a more appropriate level. As I said earlier, this Jackery has a power consumption that must be less than 300 watts when the power button is pressed. If the Jackery's total output would exceed 300 watts, the unit will shut off. To determine how many hours an appliance can be powered by the Jackery, take the 293 watt-hours, multiply it by 0.85, which is a constant. This results in 249.05. Then divide that number by 60 watts, or whatever the wattage target is for the appliance. 60 watts is typical for, say, a 32-inch TV. This results in the ability to use the Jackery to power a TV for approximately 4.15 hours. The unit comes with a convenient zipper sleeve containing helpful wiring to allow the charging from the AC wall adapter or from a DC adapter in a car. A commonly asked question is, can the Explorer 300 be charged while using it? The answer is yes. It does support pass-through charging. However, Jackery does not suggest it since it can cause damage to the battery life. In addition, Jackery does not recommend the Explorer 300 be used as an uninterruptible power supply, and that is because you need to press the power button to turn on the AC, USB, or DC output, so it can't turn on and off automatically. To initially charge the product, plug the charging cable into the wall adapter and then into the unit. It typically ships with 50% battery charge only. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.